Go forwards.
We've been here countless amount of times.
It's round here though.
You keep looking and we'll go back.
You have to come back, you missed one.
Which way? Which way?
I can hear him.
Oh my god, my hands are sweating like mad.
Same here.
Oh, exit right, we're going left. What's through this door? We've left it now. Is it behind us?
No.
No, let's go this way,
Oh, he's done it again.
What?
Done it again.
Mine's just vibrated again. Oh, he's still left.
What's just for these monitors?
Hey!
Oh god, he's nearly got me. He's nearly got me. Oh god, run, run.
Go forwards.
Oh, he's right behind us. The car's beeping outside.
Oh, this is where Jamie got killed.
Oh god, I've run into a wall. Which way have you gone?
Right.
What? Where am I going? There.
This is where Jamie got his life taken.
Don't pity the dead. Down here, out.
Oh god, he's
shit.
there.
Shit. This is where I'm gonna lose you all.
Oh my god.
I've got an idea.
I'm just going through
I
here.
can't see now.
Why don't we all split up?
Is everyone behind me, like? Is everyone, like, got right way?
We're here.
Oh look, there's a thing here. Let's go this way.
I'm stuck on door.
Follow me.
That empty room again.
This camera up here, he'll rob this camera.
Where is it?
No birds.
I'll tell you,
Oh,
it's
no.
gonna get caught on CCTV and then FBI's gonna investigate it. It's fucked it, honest to God.
He's still behind me. Can we go right?
Let's go right. Should we go right again?
One of them. Yeah, go right.
What, in this
I
door?
wanna get...
In this door, where have you gone? Look behind you, look how far. You idiot. Where have you gone?
Oh my
You
controller's
bastard!
vibrating.
You must be!
Turn around! You're going wrong
You're
way! You're here. Don't me.
There's a door up there! We should go... Oh, he's behind you!
Right, follow Scott.
Pace!
There's a door here.
Oh, I've run out of sprint, lads. Lads, get out me way. We're back at jail, aren't we?
Yeah, we're just going in a big circle.
No, we're going left or right.
We'll go, wait. Oh,
No.
no, we're going right.
Right. He's
got me.
No. Got five.
Where are you?
He's dead, he's dead!
Jackson,
Oh, he's dead!
Jackson, run, run. Run. We're going forward.
You should have gone right!
Oh, we're going right.
Come back!
Wait, we're going down here, we'll make
Oh
it.
yeah, you
wait,
should have
oh,
gone right.
yeah.
You haven't been in
gone
this
right.
room yet.
We haven't been in that room.
I'll see if there's a tape in.
It's alright, we've done like a...
No!
Oh, no, 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 no! Oh,
Oh!
There's a submarine
Jackson,
in here.
you're on your own!
Submarine.
Oh, the thing. Ah!
Oh, don't go! Move! Move!
Get here, look!
Spot up.
Jackson, go in here!
Jackson, come here! Turn this way! Right! Submarine.
Look at this. This place is a bit fancy, isn't it?
As if there's no tape in there.
Well, there'll be one somewhere, like.
How many have we got? 4?
5?
It's a maze, isn't it?
Alright, if you could see like a map or like that, but.
Are you feeling
Direct-
it?
Alright when you're dead.
Directions on wall.
Nervous, but I'm alright.
Ah, camera.
There's a direction to go right. Why don't we go right?
What's that here?
Spaceship,
Wow.
innit?
Oh, spaceship.
Ah!
Right.
I'm going this way, I don't care what you say.
He's stuck on a
Right,
wall.
you
He's
got-
full.
You're gonna have to go
Where's-
right. You don't want to
Where
go in
are
them bugs.
these books are, I think.
Oh no, we haven't been here.
Ah!
Oh no! What do you want?
We got 5, that weren't too bad.
Might have wet myself.
Remember, Mr. Spud, Bandy, yeah, go about and go, and the witty pharaoh.
I told you that Jack should have been the last one to die.
It's all about this,
I
man.
just walked round the corner and got fucking gangbanged by him. He just proper fucking dragged me to the floor and just had his way with me.
Look at me, one scream, weren't even scared.
One screen, but he fucking got you.
Shut the fuck up.
Fucking pussy.
If you want to fucking go, we'll go.
Straight away. Look at that, how straight that line is. It's like we've got a ruler in his guideline.
Right, boys.
It just wanders off and finds us again. Covered quite a bit of the map, to be honest.
I think we should play it like 2 and 2. Actually, no, not 2 and 2.
I don't understand how we didn't find more.